Multi-layer belt dryer. Multi-layer belt dryer is a new type of through-flow continuous drying equipment developed by our company on the basis of introducing farming advanced technology. It has advanced production technology, smaller area, low energy consumption, large production capacity, and high thermal efficiency, energy saving and environmental protection. Suitable for drying of flake, strip, and granular materials with good permeability in chemical, pharmaceutical, food, dehydrated vegetables, grain, minerals, and other industries. It is specially suitable for dehydrated vegetables, traditional Chinese medicine decoction pieces, and other materials with high water content and heat sensitivity. The series of dryers also have the advantages of fast drying speed, high evaporation strength, and good product quality, and the dehydrated cake-like paste materials. It can also be dried after granulation or rod formation. The dryer can also be provided with a cooling unit at the same time as the dry powdery or granular material, so that the finished product can be directly packaged. The multi-layer belt dryer is mainly composed of the main box. Main components are divided into hopper, cloth machine, climbing machine, inspection door, drying section, conveyor belt, mesh belt conveyor, fresh air replenishing port, circulation fan, dehumidifier fan, exhaust duct, lower hopper. Heating system, heat source required for dry hot air, support for coal, oil, gas, steam, electricity, etc. Electronic control system, touch screen plus PLC intelligent control system, etc. Principle: the material is evenly laid on the mesh belt by a special spreader. For example, a swinging machine. The mesh belt is generally made of from 12 to 40 mesh stainless steel wire mesh or GMP stainless steel punching stencil, which is dragged by the trimation device and transported to the multi-layer mesh belt of the dryer. The multi-layer belt dryer adopts the principle of hot air multi-layer utilization, can effectively use hot air efficiency, improve heat energy usage. The inside of the main frame is composed of upper and lower multi-layer stainless steel mesh belts. The mesh belt is supported by the lower strut. The strut material is made of stainless steel seamless pipe. The train is driven on both sides. There is a retaining plate on the upper side of the train to prevent the material from falling into the middle of the track, fixed on the pole. The clean hot air from the heat exchanger is sent to the bottom of the dryer through the blower, first through the lower mesh belt and heat exchange of the dry material to remove part of the moisture, thereby passing up the layers of the mesh belt upwards to form a countercurrent with the material. Heat exchange. After reaching the heat exchange between the uppermost layer and the wettest material, the humid air is basically saturated. The humid air is discharged to the outside through the moisture exhaust port and the exhaust air duct by using the exhaust fan. The multi-layer belt type mesh belt is cyclically inverted, and the materials are dried layer by layer, and hot air is fully utilized. The drying and dehydration are rapid. The operation is efficient, and the energy consumption is minimized. The dryer consists of several units. Each unit is independently cycled by hot air, and the running speed and drying temperature can be freely adjusted according to the drying characteristics of the material, and the dried product falls into the receiving container at the discharge end. The number of mesh belt layers can be flexibly equipped according to user needs, and the number of units can also be selected according to needs. Features: 1. The inlet and exhaust volume, heating temperature, Material residence time and the fit rate can be adjusted to achieve the best drying effect. 2. The equipment configuration is flexible, and the belt washing system and material cooling system can be used. 3. Most of the hot air is recycled, which saves energy. 4. Unique air distribution device makes the hot air distribution more uniform and ensures the consistency of product quality. 5. When steam is used as the heat source, the heat exchanger is placed on the side of the mesh belt dryer, and the mesh belt and the heat exchanger chamber are arranged to form a lateral circulation structure. The utility model can effectively prevent the material from falling on the heat exchanger and form an independent unit lateral circulation system. And the unit has high controllability, energy saving, and high efficiency. 6. Each layer of mesh belt can be independently used with independent transmission device, according to the difference of material moisture and material temperature on each layer of mesh belt. The running speed of each layer of mesh belt can be controlled separately, with strong controllability and maximum thermal efficiency. 7. Each unit is provided with a separate air distribution plate to ensure the uniformity of hot air in the cavity. 8. There is a sloping plate at the bottom of each unit, and the side is cleaned to ensure that a little drop material can be quickly cleaned during shift change.